Outside's feeling pretty cold, but there's still some great gardening to get on with. Here's a snapshot of June.
Get planting all your fruit trees, including apples, peaches, plums, pears and nectarines. Strawberries can be planted now to be ready for spring. Get your rhubarb in or lift and divide your old plants. It's also a great time to get garlic going. For your flowering garden, Cineraria Jester offers up daisy-like flowers through winter months. Or try some lily bulbs, perfect to plant now. And importantly, roses. New season roses are in store now and ready to go. For inside, try orchids, foliage plants or indoor bromeliads. To keep things ticking along, cover your frost-prone plants with frost cloth. Lift your dahlia tubers and gladioli corms and store in a dry place. Finish remaining pruning on roses or fruit trees and tidy up the leaves to prevent disease. Feed your garden beds with sheep pellets. Spray your established roses with lime sulphur for defoliation and liquid copper to protect them from disease. Your fruit trees will also love the liquid copper. Watch for rodents trying to warm up in your compost. And finally, don't forget the birds. They get hungry over winter, so lay out some nectar, seed and fruit.
And that's June sorted. A pretty quick list to keep you geared up for this month in the garden.